Hi, David is here from Karma Customer Experience. This is our October update, now our integration with Microsoft Teams. Again, it's been a while, but that's only because we've been really busy with the new features that I can't wait to introduce you to. So we'll start with the new leaderboards. So right now, instead of two leaderboards that we used to have, and you had to switch between received and granted leaderboards, which been on a separate tab, we've just done like a switch, like a button, so you can actually switch it. And we kind of like freeing the place for our new feature called Karma Pulse, which is going to come in the Q1 of 2023. So this is something that we've done recently. And then the really big and major feature is that we automated birthdays and anniversaries now. Well, basically, let me walk you through the actual product. So right now, if you click on the employee, you're able to add their start date when they start working in the company and their birthday, both dates. And once they get recorded, your administrator and moderator would receive a notification from Karma, and that'll come through a chat. So let's go into chat and check that out. Just give me a second. This thing is in the way. So let's go in chat. And once someone's birthday is coming up, work anniversary is coming up, you just receive this card. Right there is a nice reminder. And then you can always go back to the actual team. You could pull up the new conversation. And you could always give them Karma via the form. The other nice thing that we have now is that you have the received and granted karmas in your karma limit within our extension. So you no longer have to type in the team saying like add karma me and create a public card. You could actually just pull out the extension and see how many karmas you received, how many karmas you gave, and what is your limit. And you can kind of figure out how many karmas do you need to give within a certain period of time. So if your limit is 5 and you gave out 4, so you have only 1 left. So this is another feature that we have. You also might have noticed when I was showcasing you the birthdays and anniversary automation that we actually have a different view now. Instead of a grid with all the user picks that we have, which were very clunky and wasn't really usable, now we have this nice list, and that makes our product faster. It's easier to use, everything works fine, and then you still have your values distribution if you click into the person's profile. Still nice and easy. And we also refactored a little bit our download to CSV. So there's a new controller now, and it looks like an export data. So you can either export the current period, and you set the period here, or you export it all time. Whereas previously you had an option only to export the current period, and there was no option to export the data for the all time. It's quite a lot of changes in our product. The birthdays and anniversary being the largest one. I hope you like our product. I hope you keep using it. And if you have any feedback, you can always get back to me. It's david@karmabot.chat. And I'm proud to say that I reply almost every email. If it's not a spam or if it's not something generic, then most likely 99.9 I'll get back to you. If you have any feedback, if you have any feature proposal, get back to me, and if we can't make it, I'd still tell you that, or I'll tell you, maybe next year, Q4, Q3, it depends where that comes on the priority list. Have a great weekend ahead of you, or if you're watching this video during the week, have a great week, and keep giving great karma. Thanks so much for your attention. Bye-bye.